guys, welcome back. 1984 Barbecue. John here. Today we're going to be doing prime rib because Christmas is only like 5 days away, guys. So it's coming up, and prime rib's a nice holiday treat for Christmas or New Year's, whichever one you want. But anyways, guys, today we're doing a prime rib out on the Pitt barrel cooker because I haven't used it in a while, and man, I want to get out there and use that Pitt barrel. So stay with me, guys. Because here, beautiful prime rib here. They got marbling in there, guys. I don't know if you make that out, but it's got some nice marbling on it. The bones looked, when I took it out, the bones looked like they were not cut. And they're not all the way cut off here. I am going to put some butcher's twine on this to hold the bones on. I'll cut it the rest of the way off after it's done cooking. Just want to kind of show you that some beautiful marbling. And this is choice. This is not prime. I cannot find prime in my area. So we're going to go with choice here on this, but it's about 5 pounds. This is about a 5-pound prime rib, okay? And I know some people say, well, if it's not choice, then it's not prime rib, or not choice, I'm sorry. If it's not prime, then it's not prime rib. But I have a hard time finding prime rib in this area as far as actually being prime. So I found this at the store, so this is what we're going to go with, all right? So what we're going to go with our ingredients is going to be some sea kosher salt. Alright, and then in this bowl here I have some ingredients mixed up. I'll show you what I've got. I'll leave a link down in the description box. Some basil leaves, oregano leaves, onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm using black garlic powder, guys. Got a lot more flavor. And then I'm using some ground black pepper. Okay, I know it's not out of the thing, but that's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do, guys, is now we're going to get our olive oil here. And we're going to put a little bit of olive oil over this. Okay, just going to kind of rub this in for like a binder for our seasonings here. Just a little touch more. Like so there. Like I said, just a binder for our meat. And I'm sure if you want to use something different, you could, but I'm just going with olive oil today. Gonna get that rubbed in the front. All sides here, guys, okay? Alright. Now what I'm going to do now, is I got this nice and oiled up with some olive oil. Alright. Is we're just going to take our dry seasoning here, and we're going to go ahead and sprinkle this over the top. Like so. Alright, I'm going to kind of get this little pad in here. I'm going to finish doing this, guys, and I'll bring you right back. Alright, guys, got our prime rib. Got some butcher's twine on already, and just went ahead. I'm going to just kind of sprinkle the areas in which I hit. Just a little more here and there. But that's it. Alright, guys, now it's time to get on out to the pit barrel. Well, you can see our prime rib there, but all nice and got some good stuff. Go ahead and get this opened up. Pit barrel's up to temperature, guys. So we can get that fire out there. Set that like that. I'm going to get our prime rib on here. I'm not hanging this, guys. I'm just going to set that directly onto the coals, or over the coals, I should say, like that, just like that. Set this out of the way. There we go. Alright, guys, we got our prime rib on here. Let me bring you up here so you guys can see. There we go. Alright, guys. So we got our prime rib on, and I don't know, it's 5 pounds. It was 5-pound prime rib, and so I'm going to go with this pit barrel maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. We're shooting for 125. I'm going to get a probe in this off camera, and that's what we're going to shoot for, 125. I'm running I'm running pecan wood. I'm sorry, running pecan wood on this, and so we should be good to go. Our prime rib is at 125 internal. I'm going to go ahead and get this off here onto our cutting board. like so. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look good? Alright, guys, we're going to go tint this off, and we'll come back when we get, we're going to let this tint for about 30 minutes, and then we'll bring it back now for a little over an hour. Let's get these, let's first get these bones off here. There we go. Let's kind of set these over here to the side, guys. Alrighty. Now let's see what this pit barrel did for us. Oh yeah. Nice, nice. Look at that, guys. I got juice still in there. Did a perfect deal. Let me just cut the rest of this real quick. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to get ourselves a little piece right here. You guys can see that or not, but man, that is perfect. Perfect. Let me reposition the camera. We'll get right back with our prime rib. Guys, that is really good. The prime rib's juicy, tender. The rub on the outside gives it a great flavor. You get that smoke flavor from that pit barrel cooker. There's something about the pit barrel cooker, guys, that gives it a unique flavor. Period. Okay. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked my prime rib video. It's the first time I did it. Leave some comments below. Tell me what you thought of it. All my social media links will be in the description box. If you're a returning subscriber to the channel, welcome back. If you're new, consider hitting that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification to let you know when I put out videos. Anyways, guys, I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you.